We have unconfirmed reports this morning that a plane has crashed into one of the towers.
Emergency vehicles heading towards the scene.
Oh my God almighty, the black smoke all over the place.
Live in fear, sound of guns, shedding tears, I'm feeling numb. Emptiness, deep inside, you can't run but you can hide. Broken dreams, shattered souls, desert streets on which they crawl. Sound of hell in their minds, the clock is ticking, we've got no time. Then you sit back, giving orders, and we fight amongst ourselves. No consideration within the borders. What is this living hell? We just sit back and obey. Come on, come on, come on. We just sit back and take. We need to stop destruction. Without the bombs they drop, ignorance all around. Please wake up and hear my sound. Malicious fools at their peak, constant hell and wish they seek. Same old way all the time, and it goes on and on and on. And then you sit back, giving orders, and we fight amongst ourselves. No consideration within the borders. What is this living hell? We just sit back and obey. Come on, come on, come on. We just sit back and take. We need to stop corruption. How can you sit back and watch the world crack? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Can you sit back and watch the world crack? Why would you do that?